Hi, my name is Pablo Manrique and today we're going to talk about the basic components of a computer. The basic components of a computer are divided into two, hardware and software. Hardware is everything physical in a computer, everything you can touch, like a screen or a keyboard or the printer. We're going to talk about them more deeply in a few seconds. And then there's software. Software are the instructions the hardware needs to function, such as programs or operating systems and apps. Now I'm going to talk about the components of the hardware. And the first component is the screen. The screen shows you images of the things you're doing in the computer. Then there's the keyboard. The keyboard helps you to write or type everything you want to into the computer. Like I made this text earlier using the keyboard. You just have to press the buttons that have the specific letter you want to use and it will write it automatically. And you're going to see it on the screen as I previously explained. Then there's the mouse. The mouse is to find, point and select everything you want to do in the computer. For example, to open a new program or close the one you have open at the moment. Now I'm going to talk about additional or optional components of the hardware. These ones are not actually needed, but they are very helpful for many tasks. First I'm going to talk about the printer. The printer is a device that turns your digital documents into physical ones, printing them into paper, like this paper. This one here is a modem. It is a source of wireless internet for you to connect your computer to the World Wide Web. Now I'm going to talk about the optical unit. The optical unit is it's an element that reads and more frequently writes information to and from CDs, using an optical laser to do so. In this case, the optical unit is located on the side of the computer. And last and most importantly, the CPU. The CPU is what actually makes your computer work. It has all of the physical parts that make a computer work as it does. It is made out of a lot of components which include power supply, motherboard, microprocessor, RAM, hard drive, graphical card and audio card. The power supply provides energy, electrical energy to the computer. The microprocessor processes all of the instructions you give the computer for the motherboard to make them happen. RAM memory stores data and information as the computer uses it. It doesn't store it permanently, but it does it as it is being used. Then there's the hard drive. The hard drive is what stores the information, all the information that you're going to keep long term for it not to get lost. Then there is the graphical card. The graphical card is what gives the graphical instructions to the computer. It's what makes the screen have all of the different images and colors. Then there's the audio cards. It transforms the information into audio. Now I'm going to explain the software. The software is divided into three categories: system software, application software, and development software. We are going to focus mainly on the first two in this video. The system software is what encloses all the programs that come to the computer for it to work and make sense. Some examples of system software are Windows, OS X, Linux and Unix. Then the application software. This term refers to all the programs that have to be installed in the computer in order to perform a specific action that is not included in the operating system or system software. Some examples of application software are Office, that comes with Word, that is a program that helps you write documents, Excel, that is a program that helps you to store numerical data and to create graphs and things like that. And there's PowerPoint that helps you make great presentations. Then we have Adobe Masterbox that includes programs like Photoshop that is used to create and edit images, and we have Illustrator that works about the same things but in different ways. We're gonna explain that in another video. Most of the software gets updated from time to time. Updates release new content and repairs bugs from previous versions of the program. It helps you to keep your computer up to date with everything that is happening. And that's why we recommend you to upgrade every program and operating system you own. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can leave a like. Also, if you had any doubts regarding the topic or some feedback you'd like to share with us, you can leave them in the comments like right here. And also a big shout out to my friend Feba for helping me record the video. And don't forget to subscribe to us because our next video is going to be a super interesting topic. It is going to be about how to open and watch YouTube videos. Thank you again for watching and see you next time. ¿Qué tal, ¿Qué tal?
Go Broncos. And remember, #muerta el conejo Quake.